Assalamu alaikum. We have already studied about the addition reactions of benzene under special conditions. But the characteristic reaction of the aromatic compounds is the electrophilic substitution reaction. So today we will study about the substitution reactions of benzene. Benzene usually shows electrophilic substitution reaction in which one or more hydrogen atoms of benzene ring are replaced by electrophilic groups. Which are the electrophilic groups? Like Cl, Br, NO2, SO3H, alkyl group, acyl group, etc. One by one, we will study all the reactions in detail. First, we will study about the halogenation reaction of benzene. In this reaction, hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is replaced by halogen atom. So one of the hydrogen atoms from C6H6 will be replaced by Cl. That is, it will get converted into C6H5Cl. C6H6 will get converted into C6H5Cl. But how this reaction will take place? That is, the chlorine-chlorine bond which is there in chlorine. Here the benzene will react with chlorine to form chlorobenzene. So first we will see how this chlorine will break, that is the Cl2 molecule, Cl-Cl bond will break and it will give one Cl plus and one Cl minus. So this Cl minus will be attracted by this Lewis acid, which is FeCl3, and it will get converted into FeCl4, and this anion will be created here. Now the other Cl which is left, which is Cl plus, this will become an electrophile because it is electron deficient. Here this electron deficient chloronium ion will take the place of the hydrogen which has been removed as HCl here. So in this way chlorobenzene is formed from benzene. Now let's go to the next reaction, that is bromination. Similarly, benzene will react with bromine in presence of FeBr3 to form bromobenzene. Here the electrophile is the bromonium ion. Iodination of benzene is not possible. Why? Because it is a reversible reaction, and the HI which is produced, it reduces again the iodobenzene into benzene. Therefore, the iodination of benzene is not possible. Now, let's see the next reaction, that is in presence of excess of chlorine, benzene forms hexachlorobenzene. That is, all the hydrogen atoms of benzene are replaced by chlorine atoms. Now, the next reaction is the nitration of benzene. When benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid at 333 Kelvin, then it gives nitrobenzene. And this reaction, it takes place with the help of this electrophilic attack. That is, nitronium ion will be acting as the electrophile in this substitution reaction, and one of the hydrogen atoms is replaced by the NO2 group, thus forming nitrobenzene. Next reaction is the sulfonation reaction. So this sulfonation reaction, when benzene is heated with fuming sulfuric acid at 373 Kelvin, it gives benzene sulfonic acid, and here the electrophile is SO3, and this is free sulfur trioxide which is formed by this reaction. That is 2H2SO4, it gets converted into H3O plus HSO4 minus, and this SO3 electrophile is available to us for this sulfonation process, and thus benzene is converted into the benzene sulfonic acid. Next reaction is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. That is benzene, it reacts with the alkyl halide, that is the chloromethane, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to form alkyl benzene, that is methyl benzene, usually with the common name is toluene. And here the electrophile is the R plus. The next reaction is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. When benzene is heated with acyl halide or acid anhydride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, then we get the corresponding acyl benzene. So here we have taken CH3COCl, that's why we are getting acetophenone. Acetophenone is also called as 1-phenyl ethanol. Now let us see the mechanism of this. The Lewis acid AlCl3 is electron deficient. So what it will do? It will acquire the chloride which is present in RCOCl, and it will form AlCl4 minus anion. Now here there is formation of the electrophile which is RCO with a positive sign. Acylium ion is formed here. This acylium ion is the electrophile which is reacting with the benzene and forming the acetophenone. Next reaction is the combustion reaction. When benzene is heated in air, it burns with the smoky flame and it forms carbon dioxide and water.